Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls into the keto eating plan. This recipe is from a cookbook, so sorry, no link in the description. Probably could find a link if I looked hard enough. But this cookbook, I'm pretty sure I got this for Christmas a couple years ago. It's either this cookbook or another cookbook that I got for Christmas a couple years ago. It is copyrighted 2020. So the author of the cookbook is, I'm sorry for the pronunciation on this, it's Urvashi Petri? I'm sorry. I looked her up on Google just now, and it's Dr. Urvashi Petri. Again, sorry for pronunciation on your name. No disrespect intended. But yeah, it's a really easy, quick keto recipe. It says it's 6 servings, but so does most of the boxed macaroni and cheese I cook. Just pick up a box of macaroni and cheese on the way home. That's usually what I cook there. So this might be a recipe that I'll cook up and then just have with for a side with a steak. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, and here's all what's in it. And it's 6 slices of bacon, 3 cups of riced cauliflower. I let that sit in the refrigerator to let that thaw out because that's the frozen riced cauliflower. Not sure if that makes much difference. I'm pretty sure if it is, you get the frozen kind, you can just let it cook for a little bit longer, maybe. But then again, I was just being lazy. Let that sit in my refrigerator. 2 cups of Mexican cheese. A half a cup of heavy cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 jalapenos. They'll be seeded and chopped up. And going over the recipe, the ingredients here, what would probably go really good with that is a pound of ground beef, browned up with the bacon. But the first time I make a recipe, I always like to make it by the book. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay. Heated up the pan over. It said medium heat. I think I got it a little bit too hot. So while the bacon is cooking, I'll get the other ingredients mixed into a big bowl here. 3 cups of riced cauliflower. Convenient that's what the size of that bag is. 4 ounces of cream cheese. Half a teaspoon of seasoned salt and a teaspoon of pepper. And I'll get that all mixed up. Probably a little bit difficult to get the cream cheese mixed up, but I'll get that mixed in. And now that the bacon's probably a little bit past crispy, I'll go ahead and add in the jalapenos that I cut up. Whoa. Yeah, earlier today I was cooking a recipe that called for bell peppers, and I munched on a little bit of bell pepper while I was working on that bell pepper recipe. And out of force of habit, when I was cutting up these jalapenos, I took a bite of the inside seed pieces of the jalapeno. I gotta say the jalapeno has a little bit more kick than the bell pepper did. But anyway, I'll let the jalapeno cook with the bacon for 1 minute. And now that the minute is up, I'm going to go ahead and add in the riced cauliflower with cream cheese mixture. Okay, let me lower the heat a bit. And I'll add in the Mexican cheese. Get that all stirred in. It's going all goopy on me. I would say that's done, but and while I'm mixing this up, I'm still thinking that a pound of ground beef would be good with this. But the recipe says to go ahead and cover that on a medium-low heat. I'm going to put fairly low heat because I don't want to burn my pan. But I'm going to let that sit for 8 minutes. And I'm just going to come back and stir it every once in a while so it just doesn't burn up. And there's the finished product. Gonna let it cool down before munching on it. Yeah, the recipe online says it's supposed to be 6 servings, but it's probably 6 servings as a side. So I'm still thinking that a pound of ground beef mixed in there would be a good addition. But yeah, but I think I'm gonna just enjoy all of that in one setting. It's probably technically should be 2. Yeah, let's make it 2 servings. Enjoy half of it tonight and put the other half for lunch tomorrow. But yeah, that's mac and cheese, jalapeno, bacon, cauliflower, and all the other serving ingredients they put in the title. But that's really simple, quick, easy recipe. But I guess that's what that book is for. But anyway, like, favorite, subscribe. Check out links in description, and have a nice day.